Hey everyone, Kim Castellano here in the coaching office, and I'm sitting here with
Laura Orby.
and we're really excited. We're tag teaming a workshop on starting Monday, May 7th, and it's called Love Yourself to Health. We're really excited about this. Was it 4 weeks?
4-week workshop on detoxing your body, detoxing your mind, detoxing, changing your mood, changing your attitudes.
And Laura's cooking us dinner. So this is not your normal detox. This is not drinking water and starving yourself to death. This is not what we do here. We are healthy, and we're going to be mindful about what we're putting in our bodies for 4 weeks. So we really want you to come on board. You're going to hear also a little bit about my story, how I really made that step of a healthy lifestyle.
Yep.
I wasn't always healthy, and
Kim has really changed. I've been there with her from the get-go with this, and how she has changed her eating and has totally changed her life because of it, and how just her attitude and her mood and just the way she looks at things now,
Right.
Totally different.
And it did. It started with food. It started my eating habits. It started
right.
the way I was treating myself. And listen, I want you to come on board, give yourself 4 weeks. Hang out here in the coaching office starting Monday, May 7th. And you're going to see how Laura Orby really inspired me. And listen, we all have good people behind us. So I really want you, I don't want anyone to miss this. So, and we're really excited because we've been friends for a really, really, really long time. And she was the quiet one in the background of my life. And listen, you've really inspired so many people. But you, Laura, you have inspired so many people to get on a healthy lifestyle. This is not about starving yourself. It's not about diets. No. We're going to share. We're going to talk. But we really need you to register. We have people, we want you to register online at our website at www.powerofone, Christian Coaching. Go on the events, click on Love Yourself to Health. You are going to love eating food from Laura and learning about how to love yourself to health, and it's your whole body. It's not just food, it's about everything. And you're going to hear how I did it. You're going to hear a lot of stories about, what happened here with Kim Castellano in the past 4 years. So I really don't miss this opportunity. This is the first time. And if you can't make it this Monday, it's for 4 weeks. So we're going to, we want you to come. And I don't know what we're going to do with this afterwards, but we're hoping that Mondays will be this ultimate workshop. There is a fee for this workshop. Most of our coaching is free. But this one is because we have a food expense. You're going to be eating some really healthy food.
Organic.
We're not rich. We're eating organic, healthy food. And we need, we have to pay for that meal.
Yes.
So Laura, I'm really excited.
I am so excited about this. It's going to be
gonna
so much fun.
It is. Don't miss it. So
come love yourself to health.
Yes.